ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शुक्ल यजुर्वेदीय काण्व शाखिया बृहदारण्यक उपनिषद सिद्धांति has given upadhi in Purva Pakshi's Anumanam on page number 229. With in Tika, first line was second paragraph. Vedantaha swarte namanam siddhartha vakyatvat soarodit iti vakyavat. So this Anumanam was by Purva Pakshi. In this, Siddhanti gave upadhi. I am just revising this because again another upadhi topic is coming. So, and it will keep coming. In Ghata Bhashya also we saw. So just make it clear. Phalavan Nishchita Jnana Ajanakatvam is upadhi. Whenever they say upadhi means this hetu is conditional hetu. Conditional hetu means only on certain condition this hetu will produce sadhyam. If that condition is not there, this hetu will not produce sadhyam. Samanyatah hetu should be unconditional. Yatra yatra hetu tatra tatra sadhyam. Without any yatra yatra hetu tatra tatra sadhyam is unconditional normally. But in this case, if it is conditional, what is the drashtanta given in Tarka Sangraha? Ardra Indhana Sanyoga. So when Ardra Indhana Sanyoga is there, then what is the hetu there? Vanni. Dhumavan. Vanne hai. This is the Anumana. Dhumavan Vanne hai. What is the hetu?
Vanni.
Vanni. Vanni is the hetu. Dhumavan is
Sadhya.
Sadhya. Dhumavan is Sadhya. Paksha and all is not given because it is, anywhere you try to prove, this is Sopadika hetu only. You have to revise these things, okay, regularly. So here Siddhanti says, in your Anumanam, Phalavan Nishchita Jnana Ajanakatvam is Upadhi. Means in Arthavad Vakya, like what is the Drashtanta given here in this Anumanam? Sorodit. Sorodit Anumanam is Arthavad Vakya. In Arthavad Vakya, Phalavan Nishchita Jnana Janakatvam is not there. Phalavan Nishchita Jnana Janakatvam is not there in Sorodit. Is Drishtanta, right? Sorodit Vakyavat. So there is no Phalam. Vedantaha Swarte Namanam Siddhartha Vakyatvat Sorodit Ityadi Vat. So Sorodit Ityadi Idi Drishtanta. There Phalavan Nishchita Jnana Ajanakatvam is there. Means Jnana Janakatvam is not there. Therefore it will become Upadhi. In Vedanta Vakya, Phalavan Nishchita Jnana Janakatvam is there. Now we will say, that, but this is discussed in Anand Giriji, Bhagavan Bhashyakar hai. So you will find whatever Anand Giriji has said in Tika anywhere, either it is coming on next page in Bhashya or it has come in previous page on Bhashya. He is so dedicated to Bhagavan Bhashyakar. Every word that he writes anywhere will be from Bhashya only somewhere or the other. And Bhagavan Bhashyakar's words, whatever words he writes, somewhere or the other, they will be there in Upanishad mantra or in Gita or some Acharya. Those words only he puts them as Siddhanta. So there is never any deviation in Parampara. Like this, this Phalavan Nishchita Jnana Janakatvam. So he will say in Vedanta, there is Phalavan Nishchita Jnana Janakatvam. Moksha Jnanam is there. Iti manvanaha samadhate. Manvanaha kaha. In Tika last line it is given, right? Manvanaha.
Siddhanti.
Siddhanti. Anybody who is Siddhanti. Samadhate. After that we are going to continue. Na Visheshat. In Bhashya you see. Na Vakyasya. In Bhashya. Last line. Na Vakyasya Vastu Anvakhyanam. Kriyanvakhyanam va. Pramanya Apramanya Karanam. You can put comma or semicolon or something. Kintarhi Nishchita Phalavat Vijnana Utpadakatva. See that word from the previous one. Nishchita Phalavat Vijnana Utpadakatva. Nishchita Phalavat Vijnana Utpadakatvam Pramanya Karanam. Na Vakyasya Vastu Anvakhyanam Kriya Anvakhyanam va. So pay attention here. Don't look in the books now. Vakya, any Vakya in Veda, because it is talking about, I told you two types of Vakyas, Siddha Bodhaka Vakya and Karya Bodhaka Vakya, right? Because it is talking about Siddha Bodhaka Vastu, therefore it is Apramanam. Because it is talking about Karya, therefore it is Pramanam. Or other way. Because it is talking about Siddha Vastu, therefore it is Pramanam. Because it is talking about Karya, therefore Apramanam. There is no such niyama. Vastu Anvakhyanam, Karya Anvakhyanam va Vakyasya. Pramanya Apramanya Karanam na. Pramanya Apramanya Karanam na. So right now, what is Purva Pakshi stand? If it is Vastu Anvakhyanam, then it is Apraman. And if it is Kriya Anvakhyanam, it is Pramanam. So you see now it is Yatha Sankhyam or not? Vastu Anvakhyanam, Kriya Anvakhyanam va. Pramanya Apramanya Karanam. Is the order correct? Yatha Kramam it is there? Online. Yatha Kramam it is there or not?
No.
Yes or no? What did you say? What is the answer? Yatha Sankhyam, na Yatha Sankhyam.
Yatha Sankhyam, Swami.
Na Yatha Sankhyam. Vastu Anvakhyanam.
Apramanyam.
Things Vastu Anvakhyanam is Apramanyam. Kriya Anvakhyanam is Pramanyam. So wherever it is Kriya in Veda, it is Pramana Vakya. Wherever it is just saying something which is already existing, it is a Pramana Vakya. This is how Purva Pakshi is thinking. Siddhanta is explaining whether a vakya is praman or not, it is not decided by whether it is doing vastu anvakhyanam or kriya anvakhyanam. Then what will decide? Whether it is producing nishchita phala or not. Whether it is nishchita phalavad vijnana utpadakatvam. That is the pramanya apramanya karanam. So why he did not say apramanya karanam or apramanya pramanya karanam? Why did he say pramanya apramanya karanam? Yathakramam he should have given. But if you do such samasa, dvandva samasa, then there is a niyama. That which has alpa ach, it will come first. Like Rama, Lakshmana, prasiddha drishtanta, Rama has only 2 ach. Lakshmana has more. So alpach taram, this is the sutra. Alpach taram, number you can check. It's a small sutra, so then you can easily check. 2 to 34. So that's why there is a specific order. That which has less number of ach will come first. Nayartham spashta. So this nayartha was explained. Na. Vishesham vyachashte. Kim tarhi nishchita phalavat vijnana utpadak. Tasya tika. प्रामाण्य प्रयोजकत्वम अन्वय व्यतिरेकाभ्याम दर्शयति. So then what is tasya प्रामाण्य प्रयोजकत्वम? तस्य कस्य? कस्य प्रामाण्य? वाक्यस्य. वाक्यस्य प्रामाण्य प्रयोजकत्वम किम? निश्चित फलवद विज्ञान इत्यादि. So vakyasya pramanya prayojakatvam अन्वय व्यतिरेकाभ्याम दर्शयति. Now using अन्वय and व्यतिरेक vakyasya pramanya prayojakatvam. What is the prayojakatvam? Criteria. What is the criteria that will decide this vakya is pramana or apramana? This vakya has pramanyam or apramanyam. What will decide? So he shows. He already gave nishchita phalavat vijnana utpadakatva. Right? This is the criteria. Tad yatra asti tad pramanam vakya. Yatra nasti tad apramanam. Tad yatra asti. Yatra nishchita phalavat vijnana utpadakatvam asti tad pramanam. So Vedanta vakya. Does Vedanta vakya has nishchita phalavat vijnana utpadakatvam? Yes. So it is pramana. Same thing is Jyotishthamena Swargakamo Yajet also. There also Nishchita Phala Vijnana Utpadakatvam is there. It is also Pramana Vakya. Pramana Vakya is Swarthe Pramana. And Soarodit, etc., they are directly not producing any phalam. They are used to do stuti or ninda of something. That this should be done or this should not be done in this way. So they are doing ninda of Rajata Danam in Yaga. That's all. It is not producing any other phala. Therefore, it is not Swarthe Pramana. Okay. That's why the Anumanam was Vedantaha Swarthe Namanam. In Tika, Vedantaha Swarthe Namanam. So he doesn't have problem if you say it is Pararthe Pramana. That ritual is the Pramanam. You chant some Veda in between Taittiriya Upanishad. That is, he is okay. But Vedanta says no, they are Swarthe Pramana. Tika. Samanya Nyayam Prakrite Yojayan Prachati. Now Samanya Nyaya he applies in the current Prakarana. Prakrite means in the Prakarana, which is Atmityopasita. We are back to that. Yojayan pruchati is asking now. Kincha bhoho pruchamaha tvam आत्मस्वरूप अन्वाख्यान परेषु वाक्येषु फलवन् निश्चितं च विज्ञानम् उत्पद्यते न वा? Siddhanti can ask him, Vayam prachamaha tvam, we are asking you, आत्मस्वरूप अन्वाख्यान परेषु वाक्येषु फलवन् निश्चितं विज्ञानम् उत्पद्यते न वा? टीका किं तेषु तादृज्ञान उत्पद्यते न वा इति प्रश्नार्थः। द्वितीये अनुभव विरोधः स्यात्। इफ यू से न, सो प्रथम विकल्प इज विज्ञानम उत्पद्यते, द्वितीय विकल्प इज विज्ञानम न उत्पद्यते, फलवन् निश्चितम विज्ञानम। टू एडजेक्टिव्स आर फलवत् एंड निश्चितम। फलवन् निश्चितम च विज्ञानम। द्वितीय अनुभव विरोधः स्यात्, because it is producing, you see people, those who are significantly sadhan chatushtaya sampanna, and this jnanam they hear, and you will see in them moha, shoka, bhaya will not be there. So this jnana utpatti is there. So utpadya only, utpadyate, na utpadyate, this is anubhav virodha. So that's why he says, द्वितीय अनुभव विरोधः स्यात् इति मत्वा पक्षांतरम अनुद्य प्रत्याह. So first paksha only is to be discussed, because second paksha is not possible. Utpadyate chet, and if you say yes, jnanam is taking place when they hear Vedanta, then katham apramanyam? Then how do you say it is apramanika? Iti. टीका प्रामाण्ये हेतु सद्भावात् न अप्रामाण्यम इत्यर्थः. In pramanya, hetu is there. If hetu is there, sadhya will be there. Na pramanyam ityarthah. Nishchita jnana janakatve api phalavatva visheshanam asiddham. So two visheshanas are there. Nishchita, nishchitam and phalavat. So Purvapakshi says, okay, nishchita jnanam is there, but phalavatva visheshanam is not required. Jnana janakatvam is there, but phalam is not there. इति आशंक्याः किं वा न पश्यसि अविद्या शोक मोह भयादि संसार बीज दोष निवृत्तिम विज्ञान फलम. So it's a question mark, right? Na pashyasi, like that. Don't you see people who study this properly, in them avidya shoka moha bhayadi samsara bija dosha nivrittim, you will see. People run, from one place, they want to see such Mahatma, and they say, look at this person. Means they actually, how people in the world are sometimes, and you see this Mahatma, that Shantam Shivam Advaitam personified you will see. So that's why people go there and they see something, they get inspired, they want to live this life. For that they give up everything. So such vakyas, they produce jnanam. There is no question, and Shastra is also pramana. Na shruno shiva kim tatra ko mohaha kashokaha ekatvam anupashyataha. And don't you hear such things, that those who have ekatva jnanam, then they don't have shoka moha. Tatra, what is the meaning of tatra? Vidyavasthayam. Tika. विद्वद अनुभव फल श्रुति सिद्धम विशेषणम इति भावः. This Visheshanam is, this Visheshanam means Phalavatva. This Visheshanam is Vidvad Anubhava Phala Shruti Siddham. Vidvad Anubhava Phala Shruti. Phala Shruti is Vidwan's Anubhava. In Shruti, such Shrutis are there. That's why this Visheshana is valid Visheshana. Phalavatva. So Nishchita and Phalavatva. दृष्टांतम विघटयितुम प्रश्नांतरम प्रस्तौति. What is a drishtantam? So arodit, 5 number tippanis. Means he just reminding. We should remember. Just on previous page the anumanam was there. Drishtantam vighatayitum prashnantaram prastauti. One more drishtanta is given in Bhashya. Mantravideva asmi natmavid soham bhagavah shochami tamma bhagavan chokasya param tarayatu. Shrutam hi bhagavad drishebyah tarati shokam atmavid. Who says this?
Narad.
Narad Muni.
To whom?
Sanat Kumar.
Sanat Kumar. So the whole thing is by him only. He said, I am mantravid. I don't, my shoka is still there, but I have heard. So this is also true. Now you imagine if Naradji can say, I have conducted so many classes. But Soham Bhagava Shochami. So when I have paristhiti, then I don't know. He can say that. So then, good part is if Naradji also has that. So, but then we should listen to somebody. Naradji did not hesitate to listen to his elder brother. So normally somebody thinks, Usko kya, he doesn't know. I will go somewhere else. He is not like that. He says, if somebody can teach me, I will teach. If it is Sanat Kumar also, I don't have problem. Says Mantravideva Asmi. I know only mantras. Na Atmavid. I am not Atmajnani. And therefore, Aham He Bhagavaha Shochami. Tamma Bhagavan Chokasya Param Tarayatu. इति एवं आदि उपनिषद वाक्य शतानि. In this way, hundreds of Upanishad Vakyas are there. Now, Drishtantam Vighatayitum Prashnantaram Prastauti. Next question is presenting by analyzing the Drishtanta. Evam Vidyate Kim Suarodit Ityadishu Nishchitam Phalavaccha Vijnanam. And therefore, such being the case now, Kim Suarodit Ityadishu Nishchitam Phalavaccha Vijnanam Vidyate. In Suarodit Vakya, Nishchita Phalavat Vijnanam is there or not? Tika. Vedanteshu eva iti yavat. Kimva na iti sheshaha. Sorry, Vedanteshu eva iti yavat. Just like in Vedanta, there is Nishchitam Phalavaccha Vijnanatvam is there. Like that, is it there in Suarodit Vakya or not? Kimva na iti. In this way, you have to understand. Is it clear? Everybody?
Yes, sir.
Yes, Swami.
Online? Adye. Sadhya Vaikalyam Matva Dvitiyam Dushayati. Sadhya Vaikalya means?
Sadhya is not there.
In hetu. In
Not
Drishtanta.
clear. Sadhya is not clear.
Sadhya is not there in hetu.
Drishtanta.
Sadhya Vaikalya means Drishtanta that you have given, in that itself Sadhya is not there. And Sadhana Vaikalya means
Hetu is not there in Krishna.
hetu is not there in Drishtanta. That is called Sadhana Vaikalya. These things you should know. This is Padajnana. Adye Prathama Vikalpa is Sorodit Vakya does not have Nishchita Phalavat Vijnanam. Does have Phalavat Vijnanam. Kimva na is second. So Sorodit Vakya has Nishchitam Phalavat Vijnanam. If it is there, and that is a Drishtanta, na chet. If it is not, then na chet vidyate astu apramanyam. If it is not there, then it is apramanika vakya. We don't have problem. Siddhanti says. Tad apramanya sati api phalavan nishchita vijnana utpadakasya kimiti apramanyam syat. Tika first you see. Tarhi tad drishtantena tattvamasyader syad apramanyam iti ashankya. If Phalavan Nishchita Vijnana Utpadakatvam is not there in Sorodit Vakya, then in Tattvamasi Vakya also there is no Pramanyam. Syad Apramanyam iti ashankya. Tad apramanye sati Phalavan sati api Phalavan Nishchita Vijnana Utpadakasya kim iti apramanyam syad. Sorodit may have apramanyam, but Tattvamasi, which is Phalavan Nishchita Vijnana Utpadaka, why it will have apramanya? It will be pramana. Anumanam. Vimatam Swarte Manam Yathokta Jnana Janakatvat Darshadi Vakyavat iti bhavaha. Who will do this Anumanam?
Siddhanti.
Siddhanti. Because Purvapakshis Anumanam was what? Swarte na manam. Right? So now it is Swarte manam. Vimatam means Tattvamasyadi Vakyam. Right now, you can take any Vedanta Vakyam here because Tattvamasi was mentioned in Tika. Otherwise, all Vedanta Vakya, they are Swarte Manam, means Tesham Pramanyam. Manam means Pramanam. Pramanam means Pramanyam. Yathokta Jnana Janakatvat. This is the Hetu. Yathokta Jnana Janakatva means Phalavan Nishchita Vijnana Utpadakat. Phalavan Nishchita Vijnana Janakatvam. What is the Vyapti? Now, online people tell me what is Vyapti. New people. Those who are new, they think we are old. And those who are old, anybody wants to, I am not saying anybody's name. Okay, and somebody can tell the Vyapti.
Yatra yatra Phalavan Nishchita Vijnanatvam tatra tatra Swarte Manam.
Vijnana Janakatvam. Tatra Swarte Manam. Pramanya. This is the Vyapti. Iti bhavaha. And Drishtanta is given Darshadi Vakya. Darshadi Vakya means Darsha Purnamasa. विपक्षे दोषमाह. In vipaksha, what is the dosha? Tad apramanya cha darsha purna masadi vakyeshu ko vishrambha. If you say Vedanta vakya is apramana, then how will you prove darsha purna masa is pramanam? Darsha purna masadi vakya also is no different. Darsha purna masa vakya also will become apramana. Why? Because darsha purna masa vakya is also nishchita phalavan nishchita vijnana utpadakam. Vedanta Vakya is also Phalavan Nishchita Vijnana Utpadakam. If both of them are similar, and you say, because Darsha Purna Masa Vakya has Kriya, Kriya Anvakyanatvat Pramanya, and Vastu Anvakyanatvat Tattvamasyadi Vakyasya Apramanya. This will not work. समझ में आया?
Yes, Swami.
को विश्रम्भः को विश्वासः. फर्दर इन टीका प्रवर्तक ज्ञान जनकत्वम उपाधि इति शंकते. आनंद गिरी जी wants to make sure that we thoroughly understand तर्क संग्रह. प्रवर्तक ज्ञान जनकत्वम is उपाधि. Purvapakshi is doing shanka. Means now, what is the anumanam? Vedanta vakyam स्वार्थे मानम यथोक्त ज्ञान जनकत्वात् दर्शादि वाक्यवत. This is Siddhanti's अनुमान. Purva Pakshi is giving upadhi in that. Pravartaka jnana janakatvam. What will be the, see, Maharaji, what he does, he will ask students to write down. Then he will say, nobody will answer. He will see each one's paper. And some people will never get up. So Maharaji, after 2-3 times, will not ask them. He doesn't look at them also. Because they are not answering any question. What I am saying is, but here, so many of you are online and I cannot ask you to write and send me. But I am assuming you will put forth this effort on your side. Okay? And now those who are sitting here, I hope they are bringing some notebook kind of thing every time. So if I ask you to write and show me, tell me what is the, so upadhi, now you have to show in drishtanta. What will be the vakya? How will you do upadhi siddhi? If Purva Pakshi wants to do upadhi siddhi, how will he do? Right now, just give the answer. If you write it is good. I will see it at the end of the class.
यत्र यत्र स्वार्थे मानत्वं तत्र तत्र प्रवर्तक ज्ञानजनकत्वम्.
यत्र यत्र स्वार्थे मानम tatra tatra pravartaka jnana janakatvam. See, when you write down, you yourself will know whether you have understood or not. This is the main idea. And I told you in Proud Granthas, every other sentence will be like this only. So, yatra yatra swarthe manam tatra tatra pravartaka jnana janakatvam. This is one part. Second part is, so this is true, okay, pay attention here, write later. This is true in Darsha Purnamasa or not? Darsha Purnamasa has Swarthe Manatvam? Yes. Darsha Purnamasa has what is Pravartaka Jnana Janakatvam? It prompts you to do some karma. So it will say, now you do this, get this material, start the Nuyaja, Prayaja, Ityadi. So it is a Pravartaka Jnana. तत्वमसि वाक्य, is it pravartaka jnana janakatvam? Does it have pravartaka jnana janakatvam? No. Somebody may say, oh, it is pravartaka. Go to Guru. That all is done. He has gone to Guru, has done seva. That pravritti janaka jnanam is different. Tattvamasi vakya is not pravritti janaka jnana. Tattvamasi vakya just says, you are Brahman. So that vakya is not pravartaka jnana. Okay. So there, Vedanta vakya, in that, yatra yatra swarte manatvam, yatra yatra yathokta jnana janakatvam. Yathokta jnana means phalavat nishchita jnana janakatvam. Phalavat nishchita jnana janakatvam. Tatra tatra pravartaka jnana janakatvam. Is it true or not?
Not
No,
true.
so.
No. Where it is not true?
Tattvamasi jnana.
Tattvamasi. In Tattvamasi vakya,
It's not
yathokta jnana janakatvam is there. Pravartaka jnana janakatvam is not
there.
there. Swarthe manatvam is
There.
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 So it means everything should be clear when I do one such anumanam. When somebody is there to ask question, it is more clear. Otherwise, you have to ask questions to yourself. Okay, I think this much exercise is good today. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayanam Sutra Bhashya Vande Bhagavantau Punah Punah Ishvaro Gururatmeti Murti Bheda Vibhagine Vyomavad Vyapta Dehaya Dakshinamurtaye Namaha. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.